Today we replaced the cabin air filter in the 2017 Jeep Cherokee. It's the same on 2014 to 2023 models. Check the link in the description for more information and to order them for these vehicles. To make this more comfortable, slide the passenger seat all the way back. Now look for the panel under the dashboard on the center console. It's held by 3 clips at this point. All is needed is to pull from the top of the panel very carefully to unclip the top one, and then do the next 2 clips to finish removing it. To get to the filter, remove the long lid by unclipping the bottom and then the top. Carefully pull down on the bottom clip and the bottom of the lid is unhooked. It's hard to see the top one, so you need to feel it with your fingers. And it's important to know that the clip is on the lid instead of the filter box. You can see it here, that's removed now. It just needs to be lifted less than 1/8 of an inch to unclip it. Now you can slide out the dirty filter. Look for the direction of the arrow on this old one and point the new one the same direction. When inserting the new filter, it's a good idea to put in the top corner first and then lift the filter to insert the bottom. And slowly push it all the way into the slot. Put the lid back on and make sure the arrow is pointing towards your seat. Hook this top loop on the lid to the housing first, and then clip the bottom loop that's on the housing to the bottom tooth on the lid. There's no way you can see the top, as I said before, so you'll need to feel the tooth on the housing with your finger and hook the loop that's on the lid. Once you feel it's hooked, then clip the bottom loop that's on the housing to the bottom of the lid. Clip the panel back on, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.